Hi Daniel, I hope that you're well. I've just decided to make your video around your literal equations questions that you've submitted. And I've just given you a bit of a head start here in yellow. And what I've written here is you have an equal to sign in the middle. And if you take a plus sign over to the other side, it becomes a minus. If you take a minus sign over, it becomes a plus. If you take a multiply over, it becomes a divide. And if you take a divide over, it becomes times. So if we look at your question here, 1, it wants you to make A the subject of formula. So to get A on its own, what we need to do is we need to take this B over. So if we can see here, we said A plus B. So if you take the B over, what do we know? Plus becomes a minus. So it becomes C minus B. That is A. A second example that you have here is A minus C equals B. And they want us to make A the subject of formula. So we need to take C over, and C is currently a minus. So it will then be B. Remember, minus becomes a plus. So it becomes B plus C. Another example that you've given is PQR equals to S. And they want us to make P the subject of formula. So what do we need to take over? We need to take over the Q and the R. Now, if you look here, this is P times QR. So when we take the Q and the R over, what will times become? Yes, that's correct. Times becomes divide. So it's S over QR. So yeah, these are but some examples, and I could possibly do one more. Maybe we could squeeze it in here, number 4. And the question gives us M over N equals R. And I want to make the M the subject of formula. Then I take over R. And what do we have here? It's M divided by N. So divide becomes times. So M becomes R times N. Hence, M becomes equal to Rn. I hope this helps your understanding, and please feel free to do more exercises on rearranging equations on the Watobi app and let me know how they go. All the best.